Fred Burrow, Andy Snowden, Swift Plumbers. If you look back 2 videos, you'll see I went off on the former installation because they put a thermal expansion tank up top here on plastic pipe. It was waterlogged, weighing 20 pounds, ready to just crack and split. We weren't called here for that. We were called here because the water heater's older. She's on well water, getting a stink. It was over 15 years old, so no use replacing anodizing rod. Just replace the heater. I hope the Mexicans made this well. But what we did to provide thermal expansion to code is we've installed this. It's a thermal expansion valve. So much like the T&P valve, this will provide for thermal expansion to code without that tank. I haven't used a tank. I don't think I've ever used a tank. Just never made sense, even on copper pipes because they get waterlogged. But especially on CPVC because I see them all the time where they fall, break, split, flood the home. So we've installed this one correctly to code with all the fixings. We're letting our glue dry at this point. We're going to turn this on in roughly 4 minutes as that CPVC crap has to dry. So I just wanted to show you the difference. Look back 2 videos ago and you'll see the Dum Dum's way of doing it. Then you'll see the Swift way.